Yes, no corn,
saltfish.
ackee and saltfish.
Cabbage and saltfish.
Yeah, cabbage. You take the cabbage.
And what? Your liver?
Boiled dumpling,
Yam and banana.
boiled dumpling and yam and the banana.
Sunday also and sweet.
Fried sweet potato, fried plantain.
Yeah, man, you take fried one. Yeah, man, you give me anything you give me.
How many cabbage and saltfish you want?
Yeah. Give me some.
Watch it, you know. A doctor not there, so you know.
Where are they now? Clearmont? Yeah, man. On an assignment and here's a food up so let's drive come up here. I'll find somebody who know. I'll say, yo, sit there. I'll armband again. Get my armband. So right now, real country. Wood fire. Streakerville. Oh, I guess the district name Streakerville. So Streakerville.
Aqui and salvage.
Big, yo. You know, town pot of soup, no big soup. Pot of soup, big is pot of soup. Water, go loud, look at more. Right, I'm going to go around festival. Wow. Yeah, man, so big cooking are going on. I can see time. It's nice. Yeah, man. These them do them thing.
Yeah, man, we are cooking.
A load of place I know, the place named Clearmont. You see the party I go to. First time I ever come to Clearmont. I'm going enough place. I'm going to have a party like more. So after church, so get the blessing. Man, them all have them Portaloo, you know. So play Clearmont Center. Yeah, man. Man, which part we there now?
We have Clearmont.
Yeah, what happened today?
We have breakfast, brunch, Aggie breakfast, brunch.
Aggie party?
Yeah.
Oh, cool, huh?
Yeah.
So what on the menu? What them say?
Name anything you name, make it.
Ackee and saltfish.
Anything you name, make
What
it.
on the menu?
Ackee and saltfish.
Anything you name.
And liver.
Anything you name,
Called
make it.
pork.
Yeah.
And ackee and pork.
Anything you name, make it.
A pot of soup that look big though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What kind of soup? What kind of soup there?
Goat and beef.
Eh?
Goat and beef.
Pork and beef and goat.
The pork.
Beef
Goat.
and no pork in there?
No.
Okay.
Come down there.
You want fritters?
Yeah, man, if we can get one.
Goat, manish water and mixed beef. Manish water and
Yeah, so Jamaica people nice. Nice. You just say what you want and
Any food can I
deal.
have, make it.
Anything you want you can get. Clearmont, first time reach up. Mummy, you know some.
Take me there.
Mummy, you see through him brown. Choose a brown man. Him skip the line. Him.
What you say
Dirty
again?
behavior. More ackee and saltfish and cabbage and saltfish and them something there. Walker.
Where is your
Mad But it tastes like country food.
Tastes better than when they are told that. You can take the commerce still, but you can't live.
No,
But you can't live with.
hypertension. But in a age now, I think you're young one.
Sure, come on, eh? Let's have a party.
Of course.